Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix camera not working on any iPhone. Now for the first step, you will need the password of the parental controls on your iPhone. Now once you get the password of the parental controls, then go to settings, and in settings just tap on screen time, and from here just tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now on this page, just tap on allowed apps and features and make sure you enable the camera app. Now you can either enable the camera app from here, or you can go back and you can disable content and privacy restrictions. And once you disable this option, you will disable all the parental controls on your iPhone. Now if this did not fix your issue, then just force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the power button until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the power button. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. Now, to fix this issue, just open Settings, then go to General. From here, just tap on Software Update. Now, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. Now, once you have done that, and if this also did not fix your issue, just open Settings, then go to General. From here, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset. From this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings, then select Reset All Settings. Now, this option will not delete any data on your iPhone. It will only reset all the settings of your iPhone. Now, if this did not fix your issue either, then you might have a hardware problem with the camera on your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix camera not working on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.